wondered? W-H-I do we sneeze?
Your nose is like a superhero bouncer for your body.
Every day, tiny invaders try to sneak into your nose. Your nose hairs catch them like a sticky spider web.
When too many get through, your brain sounds the alarm. You take a huge breath in, filling your lungs up. AC Who! All those sneaky germs get blasted right out.
Bye-bye. Always sneeze into your elbow. That's the superhero way. Pepper, cats, flowers, and even bright light can make you sneeze. Bright light tricks your brain into thinking there's danger.
The fastest sneeze ever recorded was 100 miles per hour.
Hetchy.
Happy shoo! Can you hold a sneeze in? Scientists say. Please don't try.
Most people sneeze in bursts of 2 or 3.
Quiz time. How fast is a sneeze? Is it 10, 50, or 100 miles per hour? You're a sneeze genius. Subscribe for more.